What's the meaning of bell-bottoms? Bell-bottoms. Bell-bottoms.
Bell-bottoms. Bell-bottoms. Bell-bottoms are a style of pants that became popular in the 1960s and 1970s. They are characterized by their wide, flared bottoms that typically start at the knee or lower thigh and widen all the way down to the ankle. The name bell-bottoms comes from the shape of the pant leg, which resembles the shape of a bell. This style of pants is often associated with the hippie counterculture of the time period, and they were worn by both men and women as a fashion statement. Today, bell-bottoms are still occasionally worn as a retro style, and they can be found in vintage clothing stores or as part of costume outfits.